Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can factory reset the Xiaomi smart clock. It's super simple. So what you want to do is this. You just want to, when it's going to be turned on, you just want to press the minus button on top with the volume up button at the same time and press and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds. That's it. So you're going to have it turned on, and then you're going to have the minus button and you're going to have the plus button. And what you want to do is just press and hold it for like up to 15 seconds. And this is how you're going to like perform a factory reset. It's super simple. So if you can have any questions, let me down below in the comments. I just wanted to share this quick video on how we can perform the factory reset. And yeah, if you can have any questions, let me down below in the comments, and I hope it's going to be beneficial. And of course, just press and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds. It's going to reset, and then you can just start it and set up it again. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.